Hey everybody, I'm going to do an unboxing today of a Union Safe Company electronic safe. This is from Harbor Freight and it's the 0.37 cubic foot one. Let me see if I can see what I'm doing here. So I just scored open the box with a knife. There's a manual, set of keys in there. Nothing else in the box. See, it's got a little bit of cloth in there. So that it takes some AA batteries. See if any of these ones are good enough for it. Right down to the ground. I'll do this all without reading the manual, of course. Okay, and I need my grandpa glasses to see what I'm doing. Put the door back on. If you can see that or not. I'll just so you see. There's where the batteries go. Right in here. It comes with 2 keys, so if the batteries ever do die, I guess there's a way to open it up with the keys. Excuse me. There's probably a key slot behind there. Anyways, probably like pretty much any other safe one or not. Press and hold red entry code button until safe beeps and yellow light illuminates. Okay, so if you want to put a code in, you gotta hold the button and then wait for the yellow light to come on. So yellow light is illuminated. Within 15 seconds, enter an entry code up to 8 digits. So let's just try 1, 2, 3, 4, and then followed by either A or B. There. Code is accepted when the safe beeps. Code has not been accepted if the yellow light turns off without beeping. Well, it beeps, so it should be good. Safe only has the 2 bars on the one side here. It's just too bad. I was going to hoping that it was going to have it on all 4 sides, but I don't get much for a $40 safe. But I think it's a little bit better than some of the other ones I've seen online. It's just a bit of tape over top of the bolts here, so I'll remove that. Just to stop it from rattling in terms of shipping. So if I hit 2, 3, 4. You can see the door's locked right now, so I guess what you have to do is hit. Nope. Guess I'm going to have to read the manual, guys. So I'll do a quick read on the manual and see what it says. There's 2 holes in the back here, I guess, for mounting to your wall if that's what you want to do. There's 2 in the bottom also. So we will see. Let's see what it's like for size. There's a Glock 17. Plenty of room for it to sit in there. Or let's put a 1911. So lots of room. That. Let's see. Your revolver guy. There's my 686. Just fits. There's a little bit, half an inch of play in there. So that gives you an idea. I'm pretty sure that's the 6-inch barrel on this one. Yeah, so 6-inch barrel. So anyways, I will play with that a bit and see how to open and close it properly. So I don't know what I was doing wrong before, but it's working now. If I hit that 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by the A, I get a red light. Allows me to open the safe. And there you can hear it just reset. There we go. It's a bit flimsy. It's not. It's like hotel quality, anyways. If you bid the hotels that have these safes, it's pretty much the same thing. And like I said, it's only got the 2 bolts on the one side, so it makes it a little bit harder to pry it open. But you know, if anyone's got enough time, like anything, they'll have enough time to get into it. It's more to keep kids and other people out of your stuff. So other than that, looks like it's not too bad of quality. Nice powder coating. Gotta put something a little bit heavier in here possibly, but we'll see. Anyways, that's it guys. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.